In today's video, I'm going to demonstrate how to remove an account and a budget from shape.io. Use case for this, let's say that you're running multiple campaigns for multiple different clients or partners, and you have a client that's no longer advertising with you. To clean up your Shape account, you want to make sure that you remove that client and that budget from your report so it doesn't skew your data. So let's go ahead and jump right on in. So here we've clicked on our all partners tabs. So here you can see all of the accounts that we're working with. So what we're going to do is we're going to click directly into the account that we're looking to eventually remove. So we're going to highlight here. We're going to click this pencil. And as you can see, we have all of our budget information, schedule, alerting, automation, custom, and then status. We're going to go over here. And what we're going to do is we're going to click delete so we can delete the budget. So the budget has now been removed from this particular account. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to click edit here at the top of the tab. Here we have our client information. We're going to go down and click status, delete client. Client has been deleted, along with the budget. So now they will not show inside of your shape.io dashboard or any of the reports that are produced by Shape. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Please don't forget to like, share, or leave a comment below. Also, don't forget to subscribe so you can stay up to date on our latest tutorials. That's it for now. Have a great day.